Ever tried to shut down your Windows 11 PC, only to find it still running when you return? You're not alone. After Microsoft's latest update, a widespread bug is causing computers, especially laptops, to refuse to power down, draining batteries and generating heat. This all started with the January 2026 Patch Tuesday update, which was supposed to improve security, but instead introduced a frustrating shutdown glitch. Users everywhere, from Reddit to our own community, are reporting the same issue. Their machines enter a limbo state, screen off but hardware still running. It's not your hardware's fault. This is a software bug from Microsoft. If you're worried your PC is broken, relax. You're not alone, and your device is likely fine. In this video, we'll break down what happened, who's affected, why it matters, and, most importantly, how to fix it. Stick around for a step-by-step solution so you can finally shut down your computer with confidence. Let's dive in. So, what exactly broke? The January Patch Tuesday update was meant to patch vulnerabilities, but a change in the update conflicted with a security feature called Secure Launch, or DRTM. This conflict disrupted the shutdown process, leaving affected PCs stuck in a powered-on state. Microsoft has acknowledged the issue, confirming it's a bug in their latest cumulative update. With so many hardware and software combinations out there, even well-tested updates can have unexpected side effects. This time, the bug slipped through, leaving millions with a new shutdown headache. Who's at risk? The bug mainly hits Windows 11 version 23H2 users with Secure Launch, DRTM, enabled in their BIOS or UEFI. This feature is common on modern business laptops and high-end desktops from brands like Dell, HP, and Lenovo. If you're on an older Windows version or don't have Secure Launch enabled, you're probably safe. To check your version, press Windows plus R, type E, and hit Enter. If it says 23H2, you meet the first condition. If your PC started refusing to shut down after the last update, you're almost certainly affected. Ironically, the most secure machines are the ones hit hardest by this bug. If this sounds like your setup, keep watching for the fix. A stuck shutdown isn't just annoying, it's risky. For laptop users, it means dead batteries and overheating devices, which can shorten battery life and even damage hardware. Forcing a shutdown by holding the power button risks data loss and file corruption. Businesses face a flood of help desk tickets, lost productivity, and IT headaches. This bug undermines trust in updates. Users may start avoiding them, leaving systems vulnerable to real threats. IT teams are left scrambling to fix a problem caused by the very updates meant to protect them. The bottom line, this isn't just a minor glitch, it's a real problem for users and organizations alike. That's why a quick fix is so important. Let's get to it. Here's how to solve it. Good news. Microsoft has released an emergency fix, KB507797. You'll need to install it manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Here's how. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website and search for KB50779797. Download the update that matches your system. Most users need the x64 version. Click Download, then open the .msu file once it's finished. Follow the prompts to install. Restart your computer when prompted. After rebooting, test your shutdown. Your PC should power off normally. This manual update targets only those affected, so it won't be pushed automatically right away. If you're still having issues after installing, check for further updates or consult Microsoft's support page. With this fix, your shutdown should be over. Now let's talk about why these bugs keep happening. If this feels familiar, it's because Windows updates have a history of causing unexpected problems. Windows runs on countless hardware combinations, making it impossible to test every scenario. Even a small code change can have big, unforeseen consequences, like this shutdown bug. The push for faster updates means less time for long-term testing, increasing the risk of issues slipping through. Programs like Windows Insider help, but can't catch every edge case. Even a bug that affects just 1% of users can mean millions of impacted PCs. It's the price of a massive, diverse ecosystem. So, how can you protect yourself? Here's how to stay safe. If you're affected, install the KB507797 patch right away. Don't keep forcing shutdowns. For everyone else, don't rush to install major updates. Wait a few days and watch for reports of issues. Use Windows Pause Updates feature to delay. If needed, always keep regular backups, cloud or external drives to protect your data from any update mishaps. IT pros, roll out updates in stages, starting with a small test group before organization-wide deployment. Stay informed through tech news and Microsoft's channels. Windows 10 users, these tips apply to you too, especially as end-of-life approaches. A little caution and preparation go a long way in keeping your system safe and reliable. Thanks for watching. Now go shut down your PC with confidence.